And I still have to clean this fountain right here. I have to pull everything out and start over. But those all can wait, guys. My back is running out. When I'm done with the front garden, I will do this front fountain right here. But like I said, so far everything is really nice. Let me see if I can move slow. I need to bring, I think I'm going to move those three thing right here. I'll put them on the middle over there. The front, there's a big patch over there. I'll put more on the front. And after that, everything is looking really good. And I think I need to go and trim down those purple flowers because they're getting too tall. I will trim them, but I'm not gonna do it now because winter is coming. I need some protection, but yeah, so far everything is good except no grass in the ground, no grass. But if I know if I open the sprinkler, the grass will come in back. But I don't have that patience. Oh, I'm sorry, love. I don't have that patience. That's why I have to ordering some grass. And I will do it myself, guys. I don't need people to help me doing none of those things.